Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 gas welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected Andeli MCT 520 DPL/MCT 520 DPC. Product details. Brand name, Andeli. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Is smart device? No. Usage, welding. Pulse frequency, 0.1 to 100. Model number, MCT 520 DPC. Dimensions, 489 x 210 x 327. Arc current, 200 A. Voltage, 220 volts. Frequency, 50/60ths of a hertz. Item number 2 is HZXVOGEN MIG Welder. Product details. Brand name, HZXVOGEN. Weight, 17 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 mm. Model number, HBM 2280. Is smart device? No. Dimensions, 425 x 183 290 mm. Usage, MIG, TIG/ARC welder. Plug type, EU plug. Welding machine color, black. Welder wire, aluminum/solid/flux core welding. TIG welding, 2T4T function. TIG torch, 35 to 50 square millimeter. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 110 volts/220 volts HZXVOGEN MIG 185-2. Product details. Brand name, HZXVOGEN. Weight, 7 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Model number, MIG 185-2. Dimensions, 47 x 2935 mm. Usage, welding. Welder input current, 10160A. Welding wire diameter, 0.60.8/1.0 mm. Welding rod diameter, 2.5/3.2 mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.